with this yarn, which is really low twist and very fuzzy and not as fine. And I'm doing what's called spiral plying. So basically, I hang on to this one and keep it very straight, and I spiral this around.
Okay.
And it almost takes all the twist out of the fuzzy one, but it spirals it around that other one, which is stronger. And then when it's finished, so and it makes a very soft, fuzzy, springy yarn. Like it's got a lot of spring and bounce to it.
So, thank you.
Wala pa kailan kasi niya. Oh.